Hey everyone, want to add an extra layer of security to your chats? In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to lock your WhatsApp using your fingerprint fast, simple, and super effective. Open your WhatsApp on your phone. This is where all your chats and personal conversations are stored. So securing it is a smart move. Now look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon. From their menu, select Settings to access your account options. Inside the Settings page, locate and tap on Privacy. This section controls everything related to your account's safety and visibility. Scroll down until you see the App Lock option and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. Next, enable Unlock with Fingerprint. Your phone will ask you to confirm your identity using your device password or PIN. Once verified, the fingerprint lock will be activated instantly. To make your app lock immediately after closing, select the Immediately option under the Auto Lock settings. This ensures maximum security every time you exit the app. Now exit WhatsApp and open it again. You'll be prompted to unlock it using your fingerprint or phone password. Just like that, your chats are protected. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.